It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We've been up since 4:30. We feel like shit, really tired. Big day ahead of us today, and this is the weather. Proper shite. It's 9 AM, loading the bike up. We're gonna get going. Jesus Christ. Oh. How are you feeling today?
Sunshine.
And everything's wonderful when it's not raining.
Hi. We're together.
So Kat's got overtired. She's not normally got this energy first thing in the morning.
I am grumpy. Since when are we carrying 2 flattened mirrors?
I don't know.
This is you packing the bike, isn't it?
Oh, look, right, so the way the day starts is I wake up, I can't sleep, I then wake her up, we go for breakfast, I pack, I then go for a coffee poop, she repacks and moans about everything that I've packed, then she moans that she's got to wake up, and then she becomes annoying. Today's going to go one of two ways. It's either going to go quite well or really badly. We are going to go through hell today. If the weather doesn't hold off, it's just going to get worse and worse. 240 miles, about 6 hours on the bike. We don't mind doing the hours, but if it's just shit weather and you can't see anything, it just makes it a bit more difficult. And the place we're staying at tonight is like a cottage and it's self-catering, so we've got to sort our own dinner and breakfast. Right, we're going to get packed up, geared up, and we'll catch you in a bit, and hopefully we'll be a bit more awake. I doubt it. Okay, right, that's it. It's 10:30 and we have nothing else to do now. We ride 245 miles through hell. We've been up since about 4:30 and somehow still not left any earlier than usual. Let's crunch these miles. Rain we've had. What do you expect when you're riding through hell? Right, let's go.
Big bad storm is rolling in, by the thunder and fuck the wind. Ain't nothing ever gonna be the same. These April showers don't change a thing. Ride for you for 20 long years. Damn you, Heather, you still ain't here. You ain't my mother anymore, and I don't feel sorry for you.
I just can't see. Just stopped for a quick wee break. It is raining. The issue is I can't see. I've got a pin lock in my visor, but it's still fogging up my lid, so I have to have my visor cracked open a little bit, so I'm just getting all this cold air and I can't wipe my visor clean, and visibility is just difficult at the moment. We're on the E6, so at least they're not like twisty country roads in this weather, so they're pretty straight main roads and not really any bumps. I can't get the fucking water spots off. Anyway, how are you? How are you doing? Let me know where you're watching this, because I'm in Norway riding through hell, cold, wet. Are you on the toilet? Catch just used the public toilet. She looks mortified. 180 miles left. through hell right now. Actually going through hell. Hey Kat, how's your journey to hell been?
Bit hellish.
Bit hellish. It's been such a shit ride. I can't see out my visor. It's, oh, my shoulders ache. But we are.
Your belly's steaming.
We are the westest we've ever been. But we are in hell. What fitting weather for hell.
I actually think it's quite odd.
What the hell, eh?
Hey! I've got nothing. I'm not cooking you, I'm done.
Oh, bloody hell. I'd probably stick around if it wasn't so wet and miserable, but we've been to hell.
I'm back again.
Been through hell. Can't even put me drone up in hell because there's an airport. Right, that's pretty much all I wanted to see in hell. We would have walked around a bit more if it was drier, but we are just wringing wet at the moment, so it seems a bit pointless. We're going to crack on and stop off in a little bit for something to eat. The main thing was I wanted to see that sign, which we've done. Right, 140 miles to go. Do it! Right, the rain looks like it's finally stopped. How you doing?
I'm alive.
If we could guarantee that it was going to be dry for the rest of the trip, for the rest of the day, it'd be wise taking off our waterproofs and then letting the air dry us off. But you can't. I know.
It shivers though.
But I can't guarantee that that'll work. It won't. I can't even talk. I'm so tired. My shoulders. I'm so tired. My shoulders ache. I'm hungry. I can't even grip. Put this back on. Yeah. Right, we've just had burger and chips. We passed the petrol station back there. We thought there'd be petrol here, but there's not. So we're going to go back, get some petrol, and we've just found out we've got to get on the ferry, which I didn't know about. Alright, next stop, ferry. Raining again! I think we're 10 minutes early for our ferry. We've absolutely timed that right. That's it coming over there. If you can see it, it's started to rain again. It's Kat's fault. Therefore, her punishment is that tomorrow she has to wear one less layer. This ferry should only take about 20 minutes, and then we've got about, I'd say about half an hour from once we get off the ferry the other side, and then that's it. I'm sorry for not being so entertaining today, but it's not been the weather for it, and we're over it basically, aren't we?
It's quite funny because as you're going, oh sorry for not being so entertaining, I'm in the camera behind you going like this.
It's just as shit for us as it is for you watching it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Sunshine, dribby pots and reindeer everywhere, and everything
so
is
good
wonderful.
on my hands. Just gonna stand here. Sunshine. It's very quiet. Honestly, just put your face in the sun for a bit.
It is, my face is in the sun.
It's nice. Mates that want to like come with him on holidays with their bikes and that. Oh, the GoPro's still on. Alright, I'll wait for you out here then. You know how many funny looks you're getting.
Content. We got beers, we got some snacks, got some crappy dinner. We're on the go. Take the beers. Got the beers. Ugh, got my arm as well. Alright, let's get back to this bloody hotel and put an end to this wet, miserable day. Have some ciders and be dry for once. Yeah. Oh, the fun and games never stop. Gonna park it here for now. It'll do. Right, that's the end of that day. Oh, we are showered, warm and dry, which is good. Although it was rubbish today, it's quite good that it was raining because it was just pretty much motorway riding, crunching miles to get to what we're doing tomorrow. So yeah, it sucked, we were wet and cold, but if it was a dry, sunny day, it wouldn't have been all that anyway. So yeah, if you've made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Hopefully it'll be a bit more entertaining tomorrow, a bit more worth watch. Tomorrow we're doing the Great Atlantic Road, which is one of the reasons I came to Norway in the first place. And if you've ever considered or looked into driving or touring Norway, you would have seen this road. It's going to be amazing. I just hope the weather holds up. So if that interests you, please subscribe, hit that bell notification, and you'll be notified for when the next video goes live. And hopefully we can get some great drone footage. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, shave your balls, not your face. And yeah, hopefully I'm not too hungover, so I'll be a bit more enthusiastic. It is what it is. You all know what it's like when you're just riding in the wet and you're cold. It's day 23 on the road for me. So yeah, I've had a couple of shit days, no sleep. So I'm going to try and get some sleep tonight, recharge, and come back better tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Cheers, guys.